Hi, this is Dawn from The Art Journey. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a custom gift tag that has a place for zipping a gift card inside, and it all comes packaged together. We're going to start with the iCrafter die set, and this has several pieces to it. The most important piece you need is the tag itself. And I start by cutting two of these. One I cut out of solid without anything filled into the little boxes, and that becomes my backing piece. The paper that I'm using today is from Waffle Flower, and it's their new Botanical Lines set. They're half and half papers. The next decision that you need to make is to decide whether or not you want something in this small window. So I'm going to start by putting this down on a piece of the paper. I'm going to put a star there in the center. And these can be held together very easily using, I like purple tape because it doesn't stick. Really important part is to put the die in that creates the zip. So that will go in, and then I'm going to put a congratulations sentiment in there. And all of these pieces fit very easily into the original die and give kind of an inlaid look when you're done. So now I'm going to take that to my die cut machine and cut it. Okay, here is the piece cut from the die that leaves space for that little window and the congrats. And there are a couple of things you can do. If you want your gift card to show through, you can simply leave that space open, and then your gift card will show through once it's packaged inside. On this particular one, I want the gift card to be hidden, so I've cut a couple of pieces of coordinating paper, and I'm simply going to put those on the back and glue those down. That way, the person I'm giving it to doesn't really know until they open it what gift card I've given them. Now I've got a back cut out of solid, and I'm going to go around the outside of this tag all the way around with 1/8 inch crafter's tape. I'll remove the paper backing from the crafter's tape and place the card inside the gift tag. Now I can put the top down over the top, sandwiching the gift card down in between. Because I want to make sure that there's a good bond there, I'm going to take my bone folder and just make sure that I've got a nice little bit of pressure put all the way around there to be sure that this sticks. Now it's ready to give, and all that the recipient needs to do is lift up that little tag, and there is your gift card right down inside.